everyone. Today we are going to discuss on use of Swanprasan and Rasayan for children. Rasayan is one of 8 main branch of Ayurveda. It is recommended to increase ojas. The Rasayan drug and formulation provide longevity, memory, intelligence, freedom from disease, youthful age, excellence of luster, complexion and voice, optimum strength of physique and sense organ, respectability and brilliance. In childhood, children are in continuously growing phase. Use of Rasayan can be very useful for growth. Swanprasan is a unique practice mentioned in Ayurveda for children. There are various formulations of gold and even gold with herbal drugs explained by different acharya for prolonged use in children. Swanprasan in children can be mainly implicated in two contexts of Ayurveda. One is Lehan, that is supplementary feeds. Another is Jatkarm Sanskar, that is newborn care. Benefit of Swanprasan also provides similar benefit of Rasayan as it contains gold and gold is itself Rasayan. It provides Megha Agni Balavardhanam, Ayushyam Mangalyam, Punyam Rishyam Varnyam Grahapaham. The specific benefit of Swanprasan according to the duration of administration have been mentioned, such as if administered for 1 month, the baby will become Param Medhavi and Vyadhi Bhina Chak Drishyate. And if administered for 6 months, the baby will become Shrutadhara. Acharya Sushrut prescribed Swanprasan to enhance body growth, intellect, immunity, while formulation given by Kashyap beside above purpose also fulfill the nutritional requirement. In other words, these are supplementary foods. This become more clear when indication of Lehan are looked into children who either not get sufficient breast milk due to various reasons or not able to receive required calories, though having good digestive power, thus suffer from emaciation, etc. Why Swanprasan is needed? Early childhood is one of the most important stage of person life. Children during this phase of development grow rapidly both physically and mentally. WHO says approx more than 200 million fail to meet their basic need of nutrition and about 25% children in developing nation lack basic nutrition. Lack of healthy food lead to stunted growth, slowed brain development, suppression of immune system. Thus, using Swanprasan may overcome all above issues in children, especially the immune system activation. Steps for making Swanprasan in Kashyap Samhita. Acharya Kashyap given 6 steps for making Swanprasan. Step is sit facing east. Step is wash stone on which gold is to be rubbed. Step is rub the gold on stone. Fourth step is collection of rubbed gold. Fifth step is mixing of rubbed gold with Ghrita and Madhu. Last step is administration of Swanprasan to baby. Swanprasan and Rasayan drug. Acharya Vagbhat says to use following Rasayan drug with Swanprasan. Swarna with Svetavacha and Kusta, Swarna with Arkapuspi, Swarna with Matyaksha and Sankapuspi, Swarna with Kedarya and Vacha. Use all these 4 formulation with mixing of Grit and honey. Acharya Sushrut also given 4 Swarna Yoga to use in children. Swarna with Kusta and Vacha, Swarna with Brahmi and Sankapuspi, Swarna with Arkapuspi and Vacha, Swarna with Kedarya, Durva and Aparajita. Using all this after mixing paste of all with Grit and honey. Benefit of using herbal Rasayan during drug with Swanprasan. Using rasayan drug like vacha, brahmi, sank pushpi, etc. with swan and madhu घृत may increase the efficacy of swarnaprasan as it contain active principle of this rasayana drug as compared to simple swarnaprasan with only swan. Thus, fortified action is obtained. Researches on swarnaprasan. I have collected some researches on swarnaprasan. Pharmacological review of swarnapasma reveal that it possesses immunomodulatory, free radical scavenging activity, analgesic activity, and anti-stress activity. Study by KB Jyoti et al. Suggests action of swan might be at multiple levels, like as a general health promoter and in specific to enhancement of intelligence, metabolism, immunity, physical strength, fertility, complexion, etc. A study suggests that formulation swarnaprasan has nootropic and anti-acetylcholinesterase activity. Hence, it can be employed in enhancing the memory of child and for treatment of management of Alzheimer's disease. Another study reports that swarnaprasan acts as an immunomodulator. Thus, swarnaprasan may be helpful in preventing recurrent illness. It can be helpful for growth and development as compared with standard physiological growth and development. A study reports that swarnaprasan show increase in weight of male and female child more than other normal growing children. Swarnaprasan had a stimulatory effect on peritoneal macrophages, which may be helpful to fight against infections. In a study of chronic toxicity of Swarnabindu prasan, no cytotoxicity was observed. Conclusion: use of swarnaprasan and rasayan is very useful in growth and development of children. Swarnaprasan and rasayan are also having similar properties. Swarnaprasan is a type of bal rasayan. Use of rasayan drug like vacha, sank pushpi, brahmi in swarnaprasan may increase efficacy of swarnaprasan. Thank you all of you for watching this. Some references from where research's article is collected.